Here is the beautiful girl. I'm doing this at night with low light because I don't want anybody to copy what I did. Yes, I am that guy. I have an ML63 instrument cluster installed, so I can see it rev up to about 7 grand. And then some. This is W164. I think the waffle pattern is all you need to see, along with my shaking hands. Ouch. Dang it. The button's not there. It's still a work in progress. Still some screws. See how hot that oil is. I know. Let's see if I can navigate the menu. There it is. Check engine light is on, rear O2 sensors aren't plugged in. I'll just punch it in like 10 feet, in a 10 feet line. All right. Oh boy. Yeah, it's terrifying to drive. It is certainly faster than an M156 equipped ML63 W164 chassis.